How to download Alight Motion on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing first, open up your Play Store or Apple Store on your iPhone. Then on the search bar, type for Alight Motion. Now as you can see the option of Alight Motion, tap on install button and it will start installing on your device. Now wait until it gets installed and then tap on open, and it will lead you for some security scan and let it pass the security scan. After it passes the security test, then tap on open. Now as you tap on open, it will lead you to the home page and user interface of Alight Motion application. Wait for a while and then make sure that you accept and continue. After that, you tap on get started and then you can log in with your credentials. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.